Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show how you can contribute to my operating system. So to contribute to my operating system you should be having basic knowledge of C Sharp, and I mean complete basic knowledge of programming to do this. There's nothing complex in this. We are not using any other you know uh, module other than the system.io, and you can the Cosmos file system, which is very easy to use, like the system.io, which is a C sharp built-in feature. So first what you have to do is have a GitHub account if you don't have one, and it's really easy to create one. You just have to, you can search on Google. After that you have to have the git CLI. So you can go to Google and type git CLI or the git command line interface there. So after you have the git CLI, you can download it from here, git CSM. Then after that you can log into your git account, and after that you can check like this, type git and check. So you can see that I already have installed. So what I'm going to do in this is, first thing I'm going to walk you through a beginner's guide to contributing to project. I'll also put this link in the description. So first what I'll do is I will clone my repository. To how to do that is, I'll say git clone, and I have to give my repository link. So I'll just copy the repository link which is in the code here. I'll just copy it and just paste it here and press enter. So after it has done everything cloning, then it will create a new folder, and it will have all the code which it is fetched from the GitHub servers. So I'll just go into the thing, and you can see that I have all my code here. So you guys can change the code a bit and add new features. Then after you're done with everything, okay, then you need to add a new remote. So how you can do that is just by typing git remote, and then you have add upstream. So you have to say git remote add upstream, and the GitHub link that is here, I'll copy it again and I'll paste it. So you can see that I've added a upstream. So after I've done that, get working, and so what I can do is, after that I have to add a new checkout repository, which is a git checkout. So checkout tells what repository you're working in. So for now I'll be using the contribution repository, and more contribution comes, I will use the developer repository, and I will be adding more repositories. So for now you can please do contrib. So actually master won't work anymore, but if you want to branch in that, it's okay, but I don't want anyone interfering with this, and I've also set up securities for this. So I can say contribs, the repository. You can find out the branches in the branches drop down, and you can see I have the contribs, and you can see that it is going to switch to a new branch, that is contrib. I have actually I'm logged into the system, so I have the master branch as default, but you guys won't be having it. Then after that you have to use this command here. I'll just copy it here, and git pull upstream, and actually it's we are going to use the master, so I recommend you to go it from the master, which is the official code. So after that I just you have to just press enter. I think it did not find the ref of master here, so instead of master please use main here. Okay, main, because that is the main. I don't have the master branch, so I'll just say main, and I will enter. You can see that the branch has been done. I have an upstream. Then after that you have to finally check out git checkout with a message, and please put your name. Example, I put Harish here, and put a new fix or something like new app for Harish OS, something like this. Just press enter. You can see that it creates a new branch. I recommend putting your name so that I can recognize the person. Then after that you have to use the final command, that is git push u, and instead of in the origin, make sure that you have the checkout repository that you have made here. So it will be, in this case I have created a new app for Harish OS. This is the final thing, and I've actually now I have contributed, and so now it will actually push everything to the GitHub, and you can see that my contribution is done. So I go here and reload the page. You can see that I will have 3 branches here, and inside the contribution branches I will have a new tree which leads to this contribution. So this will become your official contribution, and you can contribute more like this to this operating system. And you can also make changes in this operating system, like saying like git add dot, and you can see basic commands on how to improvise your own contribution. I will post this link in the description, and I would appreciate everyone contributing to this operating system. Thank you.